Good morning, lovely students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying this beautiful weather. So, let's start this beautiful morning with a thought. There is nothing impossible for those who keep trying. So, always keep trying. So, with this positive thought, let's start our today's class. So students, today we will learn about place value and face value. So before starting today's class, let's have a look at an example. There is a boy whose name is Tom and a man whose name is Mark. This is their house, and at their house two people lives together. One is Tom and other one is Mark. Tom is son of Mark. So, the relationship between Tom and Mark is of father and son. तो क्या देखा हमने यहाँ पर? Tom son है, बेटा है, and Mark उसका father है. Got it everyone? Now, both Mark and Tom goes to the same school, and in the school Tom is student but Mark is teacher. So from this we can see that Tom will be Tom. Tom हमेशा Tom ही रहेगा. घर पे भी वो Tom है और स्कूल में भी Tom ही है. And Mark भी स्कूल में Mark है और घर पे भी Mark है. That means the face value of Tom will be Tom always and Mark will be Mark always. That means their face value will be same. जगह बदलने से भी पहले वो घर में थे, अब स्कूल में है, दोनों ही जगह पर दोनों की फेस वैल्यू सेम रहेगी. But with the change of place, that means from home to school, their face value will be changed. Tom will be students in the school and son at home, and Mark will be teacher at school but father at home. So from this we can see that face value remains the same. Face value हमेशा same रहती है, but place value change with the place. जैसे घर में Mark father है, but when the place is changed, school में आ गया, Mark become teacher. So from this we can see that face value remains same but place value change with its position or place. Got it everyone? So face value हमेशा same रहती है but place value place या position के change होने की वजह से change होती रहती है. So we can say that each digit has a value depending on its place, which is called place value of the digit. हर डिजिट की अपनी एक वैल्यू होती है उसके प्लेस के अकॉर्डिंग, एंड जैसे जैसे उस डिजिट का प्लेस चेंज होता है उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू भी चेंज होती है. बट द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिजिट फॉर एनी प्लेस इन द गिवन नंबर इज द वैल्यू ऑफ डिजिट itself. That means face value चाहे कोई भी पोजीशन चेंज हो उस नंबर की, it will remain always same. वो सेम ही रहेगी. Let's make it more clear through an example. First read out this number. We have 3 at 1's place, 7 at 10's place and 8 at 100's place. So the number is 873. Now as we have seen an example of Tom and Mark, क्या पढ़ा हमने कि फेस वैल्यू ऑलवेज रिमेन सेम. तो फेस वैल्यू सेम रहती है, तो हम तीनों ही डिजिट्स का फेस वैल्यू एंड प्लेस वैल्यू चेक करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विद वंस प्लेस डिजिट दैट इज 3. सो एज फेस वैल्यू रिमेन सेम, सो द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ 3 विल बी 3 itself. and its place value will be 3 into 1 is equal to 3 because it is at ones place. Ones place पे 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 3 into 1 is equal to 3. So place value of 3 is 3 and face value is also 3. Let's check for next digit, that is 7. Here again face value will be same 7, but place value, because 7 is at tens place, so 7 into 10 is equal to 70. So the place value of 7 is 70 because it is at tens place. Got it everyone? Now let's check for next digit, that is 8. Here again, as we know, face value remains same. So face value will be 8 and place value will be 8 into 100 is equal to 800. So in the same manner, you can find the place value and face value of each digit for a different number. ऐसे ही आप हर digit की प्लेस वैल्यू और फेस वैल्यू का पता लगा सकते हैं. एंड हमें एक ही बात ध्यान रखनी है, दैट इज फेस वैल्यू विल ऑलवेज रिमेन सेम. फेस वैल्यू हमेशा सेम रहेगी, बट प्लेस वैल्यू पोजीशन चेंज होने के हिसाब से चेंज होती रहेगी. व्हेन इट विल बी एट वंस प्लेस, जब वंस प्लेस पे होगी तो प्लेस वैल्यू 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करके निकालेंगे. जब टेंस प्लेस पे होगी वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 10 एंड व्हेन द नंबर और द डिजिट इज एट हंड्रेड्स प्लेस वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 100. Got it everyone? Now let's take another example. Here what we have to do? We have to find the place value of 5. Here we can see three numbers. First one is 5, second one is 54 and third one is 573. And in all the three numbers we can see 5. But you can observe that the position of 5 is different in all three numbers, right? So as we all know that face value always remains same. So in all the three numbers, the face value of 5 will be what? Right, the face value of 5 will be 5. But if we will talk about place value, in all the three numbers, the place value will be different. In the first number, 5 is at ones place. So, the place value of 5 will be 5 into 1 is equal to 5. But in the second number, 5 is at tens place. So, the place value of 5 will be 5 into 10 is equal to 50. And in the third number, the 5 is at hundreds place. So, the place value of 5 in 573 will be 5 into 100 is equal to 500. Got it everyone? So, इस एग्जाम्पल में हमने देखा कि पोजीशन और प्लेस चेंज होने की वजह से सेम नंबर 5 की डिफरेंट प्लेस वैल्यूज थी. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन कंक्लूड दैट, हम ये कह सकते हैं दैट प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ ए नंबर चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स पोजीशन. जगह चेंज होने की वजह से प्लेस वैल्यू नंबर की चेंज होती है. द सेम नंबर if at one's place, the place value will be different. If the same number is at hundreds place, the place value will be different. So now I hope you can easily tell the place value and face value of different numbers, right? So that's all for today's class. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.